Hi friends, in this video we'll try to figure out how to identify market edges in Bank Nifty 5 minute spot chart, and with that knowledge how do we make use of uh, fractal flow divergences, how do we make use of pitchforks to identify target. They are very precise and very organic. Let us see how the market is behaving so far from 1st September till date. It's the last 1 week. If you see, price is creating a vector in these zones which are determining the further movement of all the market in the next few days. So if that is the case, then we can draw a small pitchfork with these two vectors as the market edges. Let us see how we can do that. We have drawn a modified pitchfork because a normal pitchfork might not catch the angle exactly uh, when it is long extended. So I have drawn a modified pitchfork. Now looking at the very vague way, this modified pitchfork doesn't make much sense because it is not catching any major and minor edges. However, if I draw a parallel line, if I develop a line along this pitchfork and keep this at the latest high, okay, so it is amazing to see how the same line has got the market edge at this level. So this is the first indication that there are some potential sellers at this zone. Now, is this going to be a market edge, or will price create further momentum up or down? We don't know. So for that we make use of this hybrid divergence technique. As you can see, the divergences that is displayed so far. Okay, let us look at from from this vector level. Price has going high like this. Let me indicate that with red color or green color rather for better identification. Whereas from the same zones, in these zones, the RSI is going downwards. So this should give us a clear idea that when price has created a strong uh, pressure zone with sellers dominating the market at this level, exactly touching at the blue line, this is going to be the market edge. Now with this notion, how do we identify further trade opportunities? Let us see. Now, now we know that this is the market edge. When price has created, a momentum like this, strong momentum like this, sellers dominating the market, taking control of the market from buyers who have been dominating for last 6 days. This is the point where buyers have exhausted and sellers have entered into the picture. Now, when price again rose to that level of this outward line, outward frequency, let us again once look at the RSI factors in contrast with price. So price is clearly going downwards here from this point to this point, whereas RSI is up here with these two extremes. I'm sorry. If you look closely, price is going upward in these two vectors, whereas there is a divergence of price with respect to RSI here. So that means this again is going to be a market edge. Now, with that note, we have entered a short trade here with a stop loss target above this high and a target that is dynamic in nature along this new pitchfork being shown here. Price respected the pitchfork at the very edge and then has touched the downward midline of the frequency, midline of the median of this pitchfork. So this gave us a risk reward ratio of how much? 1 is to 2.29, but I'm expecting further downward momentum, expecting that the price may touch the lower end of this pitchfork in the coming days, because now it is the time where sellers have entered the market, very aggressively, and they are surely looking to make the price further low to the extreme of this pitchfork, more likely. So that's going to happen in next couple of days. So this is how we identify trades using fractal divergences, pitchforks, and frequency shifts. Okay, thank you. And if you are looking for any training about these topics, please ping me. I'm more happy to involve you in one of my training courses. Thank you.